Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this, or at least the design on my thumbnail, this cute Halloween design that I made with mostly Pink Gellac gel polish, as well as some stamping polish by Nicole Diary, and the gel base is by Madam Glam, but you will see that in a little bit. I pretty much love Halloween season. I love October. It is actually my birthday tomorrow as well, so yeah. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would love to do so and become a part of my nail family as well. But let's start off with this video because, as I mentioned, I'm only going to show you how I did my thumbnail, and of course I will give some extra information on the other nails as well, but they were really easy and quite similar as well. But first up, you want to make sure that your previous design is completely removed. Of course, I work on my own natural nails and I am going to apply the Madam Glam Soak Off base coat. The reason why I use this one and not a base coat by Pink Gellac is just because I really love this Soak Off one by Madam Glam. The regular like base coats or gel base coats, I have to say, by Pink Gellac are really good as well, but I really like to switch up my designs, and just soaking them off with this base coat underneath works really easy and really quickly. But yeah, the color I'm going to use is 303 Mermaid Green, and this one is actually from the Island Wave collection that I have done a full-on review and swatch video on a little while ago. When I saw this color, I really wanted to do like a Halloween set with it because I just love this stone, even though it is a greenish teal kind of color. And if you've been following me for a longer period of time, you know that greens are my least favorite color to wear on my nails or in clothing or anything like that. But I pretty much am obsessed with this color. Like now I'm doing this voiceover, I have been wearing this design for over 3 weeks, which is insane. I usually just wear my gel polish designs for like 2 weeks and then I'm done with it. I'm over it. I want to switch it up to something new and of course create new content for you as well to enjoy. But yeah, I pretty much love this color and I am going to add 2 coats of this color to my nail and cure each layer for 60 seconds. I really love this one. Like I can't like explain to you guys how much I love this color. It is definitely my favorite from the Island Wave collection. It is just so gorgeous, like that shimmer in there, like oh, it's kind of like breathtaking, I'd say. But for the stamp design, I actually am going to use a Born Pretty store plate. I think I got this one like a year ago, maybe even longer ago, I can't remember, but that is the image that I'm going to use. It is a spider web like full nail design, and I am going to use a Nicole Diary stamping polish as well. One tip that I would love to share with you guys and that I actually forgot to record is that after you have cured your gel polish color, there is still a sticky layer on there, like a sticky residue. Make sure to remove that before you go in with your stamper, because otherwise your stamper might get dull, damaged, and so on. You can just remove that tacky layer with a little bit of like rubbing alcohol or something like that. Just a little bit. I think I use the 96% alcohol. It's really easy to get by and you can just wipe off that little bit of residue. But next up, I'm already showing you here all of the crystals that I'm going to use, and I'm also going to add here a big like AB crystal spider because this is a Halloween set, and if you're going to apply some cobwebs or spider webs, you have to apply a spider, at least just one, you know. And as usual, I'm just going to apply my no wipe top coat to actually adhere those gems, crystals and embellishments in. I really took my time with this nail, like first of all because I just really wanted to take some time for myself, have a little me time, create a really cool design on my thumbnail, because my thumbnail was actually at that moment the longest and most wide as well, so you have like the most amount of surface to actually do nail art on. So yeah, I already placed the spider in there. If it swoops around a little bit too much while you're still applying the other crystals or gems, don't worry, you can definitely flash cure it for like 10 seconds or something like that. The only thing is, just because I have applied that no wipe top coat to the entire surface of the nail, you might have to apply a little extra of that if you have flash cured the bit of the spider, because usually the entire nail will get flash cured and it might not be like really easy to work with in applying more gems. So yeah, if it scoops around a little bit, don't worry, just push it back in place and cure it, or even flash cure it if you don't want it to move anymore. Sometimes it can be a little bit of a hassle when you're going to apply multiple gems or crystals or anything like that. Just flash cure it and add a little bit more of that top coat if you're going to adhere your crystals, gems, and so on with this specific technique. Of course, you can always use like a glue gel or anything like that, like a gem glue gel or something. I actually don't have a product like that, and this way of adhering my gems and crystals works really well for me. Now I'm recording this voiceover, as I mentioned. I've worn this design for over 3 weeks and I have just lost the spider gem, which is huge. Like, it's a big like embellishment. I've just lost it a couple of days ago while at work. I was actually loading in, like, if you don't know, I actually work with construction materials, so it can be quite heavy, quite rough, and I just like popped off the spider while handling some heavy materials. So yeah, it wasn't due to lack of adhesion or anything like that. I was just being rough with my hands. So yeah, the fact that that big embellishment stayed on for like almost 3 weeks is awesome. And that was just a little bit of no wipe top coat. Like, I really love this top coat. Anytime I adhere gels, I usually go for this Pink Gellac like ultra shine top coat, I think it's called. I really love it. It is awesome. But once you have placed all of your crystals, gems, and so on where you want them to be, just make sure you give it a full cure of 1 minute. And after that, I'm actually going to apply an extra layer of that top coat, just to make sure that I go around all of the gems. Make sure to not go on top of the gems, because if you do so, your crystals and gems and so on might lose their shine, they might get dull, and you really don't want that. Especially for this design, I used a ton of beautiful AB crystals. I really love them. I actually got all of my crystals and also the spider from AliExpress. I've had them for a couple of years already, I think. But I don't use the bigger, like, of course, the spider embellishments. I don't use those a lot. I think I actually got like 10 of them or something like that, so I don't have a ton of those, but they are really inexpensive and you can get so many other beautiful crystals, gems, embellishments, anything you can imagine. You can get it at AliExpress for like a really good price. I think I got 10 of those spiders for like €1, maybe €1.20 or something like that, which is so inexpensive in my opinion. But yeah, once you are done with your final layer of top coat surrounding all of your gems, make sure to cure that for a full minute as well, and yeah, then your design is pretty much done. For the other nails, I just decided to add 2 layers of that beautiful mermaid green color. Did some really cute gems, like a really simple gem placement onto the pointer finger and the pinky, and some stamp designs from that same plate to the middle finger and the ring finger as well, capping everything in with another layer of top coat. Cure everything for the proper amount of time and you're pretty much done. But yeah, I really hope you like this design. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And I'm of course really curious to hear if you guys have any Halloween plans. Of course, taking care of all of the restrictions due to the pandemic going on. I hope you're all staying safe and sound, but I'm really curious to hear if you actually celebrate Halloween. Like, here in the Netherlands, we don't really celebrate it, but it's becoming bigger and bigger, which is something that I love. And of course, tomorrow it is my 30th birthday, so yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. Let me know what your plans are for this upcoming week, or anything else you want to leave in the comment section down below. I always love reading your replies and replying back to you as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. And yeah, I love you so much. And as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.